Okay, YouTube. 05 Chevy Cobalt 2.2 Ecotech. I've just replaced the lash adjusters on the #1 cylinder, both lash adjusters on the intake side. I've had to replace this hose. I was driving down the road and it started this knocking. I wasn't even due for an oil change yet. I changed the oil and everything, and it's still at it. And it sounds like it's coming from inside the timing chain box, but the timing chain has no play whatsoever, although it has had a new tensioner just put in it because the tensioner fell apart when I took it out. When I took it out to check the timing chain tensioner, it came out in 3 pieces. So if anyone out there in YouTube land can tell me it's coming from the passenger side of the engine and it increases slightly with engine speed, anyone out there in YouTube land be able to tell me what's going on would be greatly appreciated. I've been working on this car for 2 weeks now, trying to get it to work, and it's my only mode of transportation. Thanks.